Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen, your favorite Sense gal, and today I wanted to show you my unboxing of my Park Lane jewelry. This is actually, sorry, it's really late because I wanted to get this out to you back in the beginning of January, but things happen, whatever. So I'm posting it now. But this is an unboxing of all the Park Lane jewelry I got for myself for my Christmas present, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you love the items that you're seeing, I am going to post my party link below because I'm actually hosting a Park Lane party right now. So if you're interested in that, I will post the link to the group as well as the shopping link for all these amazing deals. So as you can see, I have some of my Park Lane on already. I have my Rue earrings and necklace and a little something you'll see later in the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends and family. I'm so excited to show this to you guys because I honestly don't even remember what I ordered, but it looks like a lot because I have this much. And literally, it was not that expensive. They had an amazing sale. I will have a link below to my gal, Christy, who is my Park Lane stylist. And if you are interested in any of these pieces, you can click her link to get it. All right, so first off, I don't even remember the names of these. But all I remember is I got a bunch of rose gold because I fell in love with the necklace, and I think gold pieces, which is really strange because I normally like silver, but I'm dabbling into gold and rose gold. So I'm so excited. All right. Okay, so these are the Twizzler rings, I believe. Yes, the Twizzler earrings. And look at that. And I'm actually thinking it's New Year's Eve when I am recording this, and I think I might wear these tonight, actually. I'm not 100% sure because we're just going to our friends and grilling out and barbecuing. So, but how cute are those? I love it. I'm so excited. It's like they just kind of like fall in between your earrings. I'm so excited. Actually, I think I might put this on now. Oh my goodness. I've been wanting this since I like first fell in love with Park Lane, which is about a year ago, actually. I'm so excited. Let's see. So I think okay. Look at that. Oh, this is like really weird. That was really weird putting on. I've never had earrings like this before. But they're so cute. I love them. And then they have the little backing to go. Oh, I like these. These are super cute. I love it. I love it. Ooh. All right. So that's a possibility for tonight. I'm not sure, like I said. But I don't think that would bother me that much. I thought they would get in the way, but I don't think they will. So exciting. Twizzler gold. I think they have a couple of different colors too. I think silver. I'm not sure about rose gold, but super exciting. Oh, I like this. This is so simple. And I think I could wear this at work with my headset. Even more exciting. Okay, so these are the Rue earrings, which I wear all the time. Let me see if I have them. Yeah, so I have them in the silver already. Let's see if it's gonna focus or not. This is so bad. I'm horrible at this. I don't even know how to like focus this. But they're super sparkly. So I got the same set in the rose gold. Look at, oh, I love it. It's so sparkly. They're so simple and they're classic. And they go with everything. I literally wear my silver ones all the time. So I'm super excited. They also have this in the hematite and the gold. I have the silver, which are definitely on my wish list too. So that's 2 earrings. Ooh, this is heavy. So this is what inspired my initial purchase. I'm so excited for this. It is a rose gold necklace, and I do not have the shirt for this right now, but it is so stinking gorgeous. Yeah, so it's like 4 necklaces in one, and it's called the Ambrosia necklace. It's rose gold. It looks gold. I thought it was gold, but it's rose gold. And what's awesome is all these individual necklaces can be taken off to wear by themselves, or if you only want 1 or 2, if you want just 3, you can do that. So look at this. It's so gorgeous. And it totally doesn't go with my hoodie right now, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. So cute. But yes, ambrosia. So exciting. So I got the ambrosia necklace to go with the Rue rose gold. How cute would that be? Love it. I love it. Then we got the Ashton bracelet. Okay, so I've been getting into bracelets, and I've always loved bracelets, but never really worn until my husband got me my Pandora bracelet, which I absolutely love. I don't remember how long ago that was. I think it was after we got married. Can't remember. But anyways, so I've been getting into bracelets, and I decided to go and splurge on my Ashton, which was my part of the deal where you get like $60, or you get your cart to 60, and then you get one item up to 200 for like $30, which is my Ashton, and then a free item up to $100, which is my ambrosia necklace. So once again, to kind of go with the rose gold. But what I love about this bracelet is that if you only want one, you can. There's like, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little bracelets. They're stretchy. So I can do just the gold. I can just do this cute little pink. They have this gray. You can do a mixture. So I'm super excited. And I just noticed, and the gold pieces, oh my goodness, there's like so many different ones here. I didn't even notice. So we have the gold with the gray. Super cute. We have 2 of these gold with a little pink stone. Love it. And then we have the gray bracelet. And then we have like the 2 pink ones. These have smaller beads. These are bigger. And then just a plain gold bracelet. So super cute and fun. And I have big wrists, so I like the stretchy kind. So super cute. I get the gold ones on. Love it. So excited for my new arm party. You can wear this by itself. You can wear it with other items. Super, super cute. Oh my goodness. I forgot I got these. So these are the rose gold impression earrings. How sparkly are these? Love them. Love these. I have another set of impression earrings. I think they're blue. I got them for the 4th of July. But look at that. You got the rose gold. I don't know if it's going to focus. I don't think it is. But look at that sparkle. So exciting. I'm so excited to wear this stuff. So that is the other set of earrings. So I think, yeah, I got 3 earrings, 1 necklace, and I think the rest are bracelets, honestly. I don't remember. So that's all my boxes. So then I have 2 of these. Yes. Okay, so these next 2 items are the same ones, but I got them in different colors. So the next item I got, I saw on a live, and I almost didn't get it because when I saw it in the catalog, I was eyeing it, but I didn't realize what it did. So it's 1 bracelet, but it looks like a bunch of other ones. So when I first saw it, I thought it was like this, but I saw it on a live, and it just looks like a bunch of like bangle bracelets, but it's not. So look how cute that is. I'm so excited. I did, because I have like, not the skinniest wrist, but I did have to separate this or like bend it out and stretch it out a little bit. But I love this. This is so cute, and I don't think it'll bother me when I'm like at work writing or anything, because it kind of lays flat. But look at that. It's so cute. Once again, not wearing the best outfit to be showing you guys all this, but I love it. I loved it so much. I got one in silver because I needed a silver bracelet as well. So I'm super excited. Look at, I mean, technically you could wear both of them. I mean, that's a lot of bracelets for me personally, but you could definitely do that. Oh my goodness. I love it. So yeah, I could wear these earrings and this bracelet. So fun. And then for gold, I would probably, okay. So if I were to wear these earrings and my, what is this called? The flare bracelet, I would either wear this necklace, which is all tangled up, so, which I have done an unboxing on this. This was a sparkle box unboxing I did. I think for, wasn't January, maybe March of 2022? I don't remember, but it's super cute. I love this necklace. I wear this one a lot too. So it's a double necklace with a star, and it has sparkles. Is that sparkly? Nope, that's sparkly sides over here. So I would wear this, or another necklace I've been like loving. I just got this one a couple months ago. I think it's called Juliet. It is a gold heart, which I am not into hearts, but I think this would be really cute with this, with the Twizzler earrings and the flare gold bracelet. So that's probably how I would style these. Not with the hoodie though. But I am so excited. Oh my goodness. And then you can even, oh my God, this is so fun. So I have my Apple Watch. I know it's silver, but you can even like throw some of these on with the Apple Watch to give it more flair. Oh my goodness. This is so fun. I love it. And then look, I just realized I have rose gold on my face watch. So, but yeah, so much fun. I love this. This is just so much fun. So yeah, that's everything I got for Christmas. This is my Christmas present to myself. I think total with shipping and tax was $154. Not bad at all. I got all this. I got 1, 2, 3 bracelets, 3 earrings, and a gorgeous necklace. So, I mean, you can't beat this. Park Lane has some amazing stinking deals. Like I said, I'm just having fun now. I'll have the link down below so you guys can take a look at my stylist website. Christy, she's amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this and other items around my life, such as health and Scentsy, and I will catch you guys later.